Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends can't connect to game error. So if you're just getting this error, for example, let me show you, right? So if you're just facing this error, what you have to do, it's very easy thing to do. You have to just go to Play Store and you have to, if you're using an iOS, then just go to App Store and here you have to search for League of Legends, right? And it will show you, and basically what you have to do, you have to update, right? So if you get an option to update, just update it right now. Once you have updated, you have to just go to settings of your phone. By the way, this is very important thing, so make sure you just follow, right, very carefully. Now here you have to find this option in your setting which is called apps, right? If you're not able to find that apps, then search for app management. App management is basically, it will show you all the application which is available in your phone, right? And here you have to search for League of Legends, right? So it doesn't matter it's a League of Legends or it's a different application, right? It's work for everything same. For example, this is Mobile Legends and I have same issue over here. So what you have to do, you have to now go to the storage usage, clear the cache, now clear the data too. So once you clear the data, you have to re-log in into your mobile, basically League of Legends mobile application. And once you have done that, reboot your phone. Just switch off your phone and again switch it on. Now reconnect to your good Wi-Fi or internet connectivity and just reopen your app. It will definitely fix your problem. This is the only solution which works currently now, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.